फ्यूचर इंग्लिश रीडिंग में आपका स्वागत है। आज हम लोग बिहार बोर्ड क्लास 6 लेसन 1 और बॉटल ऑफ ड्यू के अंग्रेजी के शब्दों का उच्चारण को हिंदी उच्चारण में पढ़ेंगे, जिसके द्वारा आप आसानी से अंग्रेजी पढ़ना सीख सकते हैं। पेज नंबर 4। Ramnath went home and after talking to his wife started cleaning his large fields which had been lying empty all these years. There he planted rows and rows of banana plants. He tended them carefully and during the winter months collected the dew that formed on them with great care. His wife helped him too. Madhumati gathered the banana crop, took it to the market and got a good price for it over the years. Ramnath planted more and more plants and they had a huge banana plantation. At the end 6 years, he finally had his 5 liters of dew. इसी के साथ पेज नंबर 4 का रीडिंग समाप्त हुआ। अब हम लोग पेज नंबर 5 का रीडिंग करेंगे। Carefully he took the bottle to the sage. The sage smiled and muttered something. Over the water, then he returned the bottle and said, "Try it out." Ramnath sprinkled a few drops on a copper vessel and waited for it to turn to gold. To his surprise, nothing happened. This is cheating, he said the sage. I have waited 6 precious years to my life, but says Mahipal only smiled and called Madhumati to come forward. She came with a big box. When she opened it, inside shined stacks of gold coins. Now the sage turned to the very surprised Ramnath and said, there is no magic potion that can turn things into gold. You worked hard on your land and created this plantation. While you looked after the trees, your wife sold the fruits in the market. That's how you got this money. It was your hard work that created this wealth, not magic. If I had told you about this earlier, you would have not listened to me. So I have played trick on you. Ramnath understood the wisdom behind these words and worked even harder on his plantation from that day on. इसी के साथ पेज नंबर 5 और लेसन 1 का रीडिंग समाप्त हुआ। अगर आपको वीडियो अच्छा लगा तो लाइक और सब्सक्राइब करें और दूसरे अन्य विद्यार्थी को भी इस चैनल के बारे में बताएं, जिससे वो आसानी से अंग्रेजी पढ़ना सीख सके। बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद।